why can't we heal anything else? Well, we can. It's just, I think, at least in the Americas, that we've been conditioned to believe that doctors know best. And I
Yes.
personally think you knew what you needed. You knew what your body needed. You overcame and you literally climbed a mountain.
Yes, literally. When many other people have excuses of doing something, I had all the excuses, Nicole. I could have also said XYZ, I'm not healthy, my bones, I'm in crutches. I had all the reasons. And then
Wow.
there was this one quote from Gandhi that says, if, to create your destiny, you need to start with what is your beliefs. When you know what your beliefs are, remember your beliefs then forms your thoughts. As a man thinketh, so is he. Your thoughts then is followed by your words, because you know what the heart is full of, it overflows. So your words follows. There's even a book that says life and death is in the power of the tongue. So whatever
Mm.
you speak becomes life. But now, afterwards, the more you speak it, then actions follow. And the more your actions follow, it becomes a habit and a lifestyle. And the more that happens, it becomes a value system. And before you know it, you actually created that reality. And so to change the reality, you need to think of, I needed to think of what person do I need to be able to achieve that.